Hi, this is Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources. We're going to be looking at factorizing quadratic expressions, a video that was requested by my students. And I do enjoy when my students request for me to create a video on a topic that is giving them problems. Our objectives are: 1, given the quadratic expression, which is an expression with the x squared term, state the value of a, b, c. Identify the product, which is the coefficient of the x squared term, multiplied by the value of c. Identify the sum, which is the coefficient of the x term, that's b. And 4, use those two terms to split up the middle term of the quadratic expression. And then 5, factorize completely. Our first example is x squared plus 8x plus 16. Now, first we understand that it is a quadratic expression because we can see the x squared term. We're going to identify what is the value of a, b, and c. So the value of b, for sure, we can see the number that is in front of the x is 8. So we're going to write 8, and c, it is a positive 16. Now when it comes to the x squared term, we don't have a number in front, but the coefficient of this x squared is 1. So our value for a is 1. Now we have to find a product that is a times c. So that's 1 times 16, and that is 16. So what are all the combination, two numbers, when we multiply it, we will get 16. And that is 4 times 4, 8 times 2, 1 times 16. We could turn it around to 16 times 1, 2 times 8, or 4 times, well, it's the same thing, 4 times 4. Which one of these combinations would give us the sum, which is the b value, 8? And right away we can see that is going to be 4 and 4. So when we add 4 plus 4, we're going to get 8. And when we multiply 4 by 4, we get 16. So we're going to write now x squared. And we're going to replace 8x with those two numbers, 4x plus 4x plus 16. So 8x now becomes 4x plus 4x. We now have 4 terms, so we are going to pair them off. And then we're going to factorize each pair. So x squared plus 4x. I can say x squared is x times x plus 4 times, let's use a dot because we have, so times x. That's one bracket. Plus the second bracket, let's expand, 4 by x plus 4 times 4. So if we factor out, we're going to get what's common is x and the x. So x on the outside, and what's left back is x plus 4. Let's go to the second bracket. What's common is 4. So 4 is factored out, and we're left with x plus 4. Notice the two brackets are or have the same x plus 4. So what we do, one bracket is going to be x plus 4, and then we're going to take what's on the outside, x plus 4. So that's our final answer, x plus 4 in one bracket, x plus 4. Now I have another video on expanding double brackets. I'm going to link that in the description below this video. Example 2. x squared plus 7x plus 10. Again, we have identified that is an x squared term. So now we have to identify a, b, and c. So b is 7, positive 7. C is positive 10. And a, the coefficient of the x squared term, is 1. So our product would be 1 times 10, which is 10. So all the combinations, 2 by 5, 1 by 10, I remember we can turn it around, will give us the sum of 7. And automatically we know that answer would be 2 and 5. So we're going to replace 7x, so it becomes 2x and 5x. We're going to rewrite it, so it'll be x squared plus 2x plus 5x plus 10x plus 10 plus 10. We have 4 terms, so we're going to pair them off. And this time I'm not going to expand. We're going to be able to look at what we have in the bracket and see that x is common. Put that on the outside, we're going to be left with x plus 2 plus 5x plus 10. We're going to know, we can see that 5 is a factor of 10. So we're going to take that out. We're going to be left back with x plus 2. And we multiply 5 by 2, we'll get 10. So again, the brackets are the same. X plus 2, let's put a different color. X plus 2 is the same, use red then. It's the same expression in each two brackets. So we're going to get x plus 5 in one bracket and x plus 2 in the second bracket. And again, this is double brackets, and I have a video on expanding double brackets. I'm going to link that in the description. But understand that when you expand this, you should get this, what you started off with. When you expand, you should get this. Okay? This is Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, share, leave a comment. Stay tuned for more.